Workflow drives the application, so users see their work baskets as soon as they sign in. You can use InstaQuote, which generally contains enough information to give a rate indication, Quick Quote, which may include basic underwriting information, and Full Quote, which contains all of the information required to issue a policy. The choice is yours, depending on your needs and your processes. Once you enter a customer's information, it's retained to quote other lines of business or re-quote if your prospect doesn't accept the initial quote. Full Quote and policy screens contain the same functionality for all lines of business. All screens are configurable and delivered to you with the fields and flow you specify. The customer screen captures basic information about the prospect, effective date, policy term, and policy level coverages. Help text is available on all input screens and can be turned on and off by users. This promotes efficiency and serves as a training tool for employees and agents. The Policy Details tab contains information about what is being insured. The Policy Forms tab is typically used by underwriters to add liability limitation endorsements or exclusions should they choose to do so. The Underwriting Info tab collects the required information. Questions can be static or they can appear dynamically based on answers to prior questions or to underwriting characteristics input in prior screens. This precludes users from tabbing through questions irrelevant to the policy. These questions can be information only, have rating attached to them, interact with the business rules engine to refer them to an underwriter, or decline the quote. The Underwriting Rules, also called the Business Rules tab, show the business rules that were triggered and whether they passed, caused a referral, or were declined. Once quotes are complete, users are shown the premium and coverage summary screen. They have the option to print the quote, email the quote, or continue with policy issuance. The Confirm Next button takes users through the application based on the configured workflow. Users don't have to remember when to save, when to go to the next tab, or which tab to go to. They only have to hit the Confirm Next button. The Beyontec suite can be configured one of two ways. You can require money be applied before policy issuance, or you can issue the policy and invoice the premium. The suite supports direct bill, agency bill, including account current, and third-party billing such as mortgagees, premium finance companies, relatives, or parent companies. You select the pay plans you want. Once a pay plan is configured, it can be attached to any line of business. The print package shows all the generated policy documents. Users can send them to the print stream to be printed at designated times, print them immediately to a local printer, or email them from the screen. The Document tab contains any documents and photos uploaded to the quote or to the policy. Files can be uploaded at any time. The Correspondence tab contains any templated letters you use during the issuance, endorsements, renewal, or review processes. The Notes button takes users to the Notes and Diary system to review existing notes and diaries and create new ones. Once the quotes are complete, they can be printed, emailed, or converted to applications. For a more detailed look at all the Beyontec Suite modules, please check out our other videos or contact us to arrange a demo.